Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the security tricks on the TECNO Spark 20 Pro. Okay, so first let's open up our settings, just like that. Now scroll down a little bit and let's begin with the password and security settings. Let's first set the lock screen for our device, and here we have three options actually. We have the pattern, numeric password and the alphanumeric password, because the slide to unlock and the none of course provide no security. So I'll show you how to set the pattern. In here we need to connect at least 4 dots, so simply connect them just like that. If you want to change your password, click on cancel, then draw your new pattern, and now to confirm the selected pattern, simply redraw it. Now click on confirm. In here you can select the notification content. You can I'll just leave how it is. Now click on done, and now our lock screen has been successfully set. We can also set the fingerprint below. First we need to draw our pattern just like that, and now click on add fingerprint. Our sensor is located on the power button, just in this place. Now click on next, and now we need to place our finger. And when we feel a vibration, we need to lift up our finger, and now we need to place it again. And we need to repeat that process until we fulfill this logo on the screen, and until we see a confirmation that our lock screen has been set, our fingerprint, sorry. So let's repeat the process. You can always try to place your finger from different angles, just like I did before. And now we can see that our fingerprint has been successfully set. So click on finish, and now we can see how it works. So I'm going to turn off the screen. Let's begin with the simple lock screen. So let's draw our pattern. Boom, and now our phone is unlocked. Now let's try with the fingerprint. I'm going to place it right now, and it also unlocks. Just like that, you can see it. Now we can go back into our settings. We can also set the face unlock. In here to set it, first draw your pattern, then click on enroll face. And now click on the start. And now all you need to do is to place your face inside of that frame and simply follow the instruction on the screen. The face recognition, in my opinion, is less safe than the fingerprint, because, for example, someone might use your photo to unlock your device from the face unlock, so you need to remember about it. That the face unlock is less safe. Alright, below we can click on Google Play Protect, and in here we can perform a simple scan. Just like that, and no harmful apps found. That's good to see. If there will be something wrong, simply follow the instruction on the screen. And now we have the Find Hub. It is also pretty not common, but comfortable and convenient feature. We can allow this device to be found. And now we have 2 ways to use it. We can use the app or the web. You can also see how it works. So if you lose this device or any connected fastpair accessories, you can use Find Hub to locate them. You can click on Learn More to see more information about it. We can also click on Find Your offline devices, and we can enable the offline finding. And now I'm going to show you how to use the web. So click on web, and now we need to click on Sign In. In here we need to sign in into the Google account that we are logged in currently in our settings. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Then click on next. And now type your password. Okay, then click on next. And from here, for example, we can perform the remote lock of our device. Simply select your TECNO Spark, click on Secure Device, And now you can read how it will work. So our device will be locked with its PIN, pattern or password. If the device doesn't have a screen lock, you can set one. You'll be signed out of Google account on the device. After the device is secured, you can still locate it. Payment cards will be removed from your Google Wallet, so it's a really cool feature. Okay, now we can go back from here. Let's now see if there are any updates for the security. Let's click on check for update. In my case, there's nothing to download, but remember that having the latest version of your security app and basically all features is the best. And now let's click on Google Play system update to see if there is something to be downloaded. And in my case, I have a possibility to download the update for the Google Play. I'm not going to do it right now because I have other things to show you. But if you have that possibility, simply click on download and install and follow the instruction on the screen. Alright, we also have the app lock below under the app security. Now draw your pattern. Now click on next step. Now we need to draw the pattern to confirm. Click on OK. And now we have the link account. In here you can sign in. To reset app lock password if the original one is forgotten. But I'm going to skip it right now. And in here you can select the apps that you want to app lock. For example, I don't know, the YouTube. And now, if someone will try to launch it, you can see that it requires drawing the pattern to unlock it. Only when I draw my pattern, I have a possibility to open the YouTube. Okay, we also have the mobile anti-theft below. We have also the theft alert. We can enable it right in here, just in case if you want. And now the alert is on. In here you can read how it works, for example, for the charging disconnected and the earphones unplugged. So if you want, you can turn it on, but everything is completely up to you. And now we can go into the advanced options. In here we have the smart lock. If you enable it, in here you can read how this works. So the smart lock keeps this device unlocked when it's with you. Smart lock can recognize when the device is being carried, you're near home or at the another trusted place. Your watch or another trusted device is nearby. Click on got it. And in here you can enable those features, but remember that, for example, even in your trusted place, when your device is unlocked, someone might steal it. So remember about it. It's completely up to you. You can add the trusted devices, trusted places, and the on-body detection in here if you want. But it's not like a game changer to me, if I'm honest with you. Alright, I think that's all in the advanced options. We can go back. Now we can click on privacy. Now it's checking the privacy security, and we have 4 privacy items that can be optimized. So let's click on optimize button. Okay. So for example, we have the protection for sensitive data permissions. We can click on set, and we can secure the card, for example. In here we can add contacts logs, SMS, and the calendar. For example, when you click on the contacts, apps with a secure card enabled can only access blank data of contacts, and in here you can enable or disable those apps. We can also turn on the vault. Let's click on set. Now again we need to draw the pattern. So draw the pattern, then click on step. Click on OK. Click on next step. Now click on OK. In here again you can add the reset vault password, but I'm going to skip it right now. Click on start. But before that we need to create the TECNO ID account if you want to use it. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So just give me a second. Alright, so once you have created your TECNO Spark account, we have access to the vault. I have been the app opened automatically when I created the password. And now in here we have things. In here we can add the things that we want to protect, so we can add pictures, videos, apps, recordings, and the documents. So for example, I have, I don't know, some of the apps. Click on this plus button, and in here, let's say, I don't know, the Facebook is one of the apps that I want to deeply protect. So select it, click on confirm, and now our Facebook is deeply secured. Also, it disappeared from the home screen and from the app drawer, and the only way to get access to it is from the secure folder from our vault. So that's the only way how you can open it, only from the vault. And of course you can add more things to that. Okay. Still there was something that we can adjust. We can reset personalized ID. We can click on set. And in here we can perform the reset. And the app lock is unbound to any account, but it's not that much. Okay. Also, we can open up the phone master right in here. And in here, let's click on the antivirus, click on agree, and now it's basically going to perform a quick scan in search for some viruses and some storage problems. So in my case, everything is safe. You can simply perform that kind of a scan from time to time on your own to see if there is something to do. Okay, in here, also from the phone master, you can get access into the vault and into the app lock. Okay. Under the more things, okay, I have shown you that the features that I wanted, and as the last thing, I will tell you that, for example, if you want some extra antiviruses apps, you can always download them from the Play Store. Simply open it up, and in here you can search for the apps, for example, such as Avast. It's an example of the antiviruses app. And you can download it completely for free from the Play Store. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.